Hi, I am Maijan Tubato E from Bachelor of Secondary in Education major in Mathematics.
This lesson is gonna be about the law of sines, or also known as the sine rule, and this can only be applicable to the non-right angled triangle. Let's say if we have a triangle. The first question is it right angled? It will gonna be yes or no. If it is yes, then you will use Pythagoras or SOHCAHTOA. Then if it is no, you will use the law of sines, or also known as the sine rule, and law of cosines, also known as the cosine rules. The law of sines can be written as sine A over A equals sine B over B equals sine C over C. Or you can flip it over if it suits you to do so. So, what's that telling us? Then the triangle is labeled A, which is probably an angle A. Then it has a vertex A. The side that it creates goes to the little a. Same as B, it is an angle B with vertex B. Along that line, the opposite line, it would be the little b. Then, same as with C, C is an angle C with a vertex C. Across that line is the little c. With this, you could think matching sets that angle C with the line it creates to little c, they kind of have something to do with each other, or they're probably proportion or correlated with each other. If C creates a bigger angle, then it creates a bigger line, so they match. How big or small the angle is. If it has a bigger angle, then it will create an opposite line which is bigger too. Then if it has skinny angle, then it would turn into shorter line. We really need to know two matching sets, because if we know B to little b and two pieces information that make up A, for example, we know the angle and we're trying to find the opposite side, or we know the opposite side and we're trying to find the angle, then we can use the law of sine, which is B over sine B equals A over sine A. Now we will use three of those pieces of information. For example, little b over sine B equals little a over sine A, and we don't know the value of the little a. Then we can work out the rest. What we need to make this sign for us, one complete matching set, is either C or little c, B or little b, or A to little a. So, one information about someone else can be used to solve the unknown number. Let's take an example. In this triangle, we have a matching set of 95 degrees and 10 centimeter with 35 degrees and the unknown centimeter. Let us try to use the formula sine A over A equals sine B over B, or A over sine A equals B over sine B. So you can choose any of the two formula, but be sure to put your unknown number on the top. Now we'll try to find the x, which is the unknown number, the opposite side with its matching angle. So with the formula x over sine 35, at the top would be the opposite side and the bottom would be the angle, equals 10 over sine 95. In order to find the unknown number, which is the x, we need to multiply the sine 35 to sine 95. So x is equal to 10 over sine 95 times sine 35. Then the result would be x is equal to 5.76 centimeter. It is shown in the solution where the result is 5.76 centimeter. Therefore, the unknown is solved. Now let's take an example if they haven't give the value of the opposite angle of the unknown number. Then they put 50 degrees on the other side. Let's find first the measurement of the angle at the opposite side. So we will subtract 180 degrees to 95 and 50. Then we have 35 degrees. Now we have already the value of the opposite angle of the unknown number. Therefore, we have a pair matches with the unknown number. So now we are going to find the value of the unknown number. Since we have already the unknown angled value, therefore we have now 4 matches to solve the unknown number, which is the x. Then we have 5.76 centimeter. Hope you have learned something from my demonstration. Thank you.